Yo, what's up, PTA family? Hey, real quick before we get into this audit, just a couple of updates. Just in case a few of y'all didn't see my live yesterday. A lot of you asking what's up with the case with the chief of police. Everybody want to know what's the update with that. Obviously, me and my lawyer, we're still waiting on a couple of things to be turned over to us. It's definitely heating up. We're not going to just let that go away. So y'all definitely be getting ready for an update and a follow up for that because it's definitely coming. You can rest assured that. The second thing is, we're gonna be hitting the road at the end of this month too. So we're gonna randomly pick a state. And we're finna just take off, man. And might be a state near you, but we're definitely getting ready to hit the road at the end of this month. So y'all make sure y'all get ready to lock in for that. And I think that's about it. So man, I appreciate everybody that's been rocking with TTA, man. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscription button. But y'all make sure y'all just stay tuned in for all the updates, man, especially the whole chief of police thing, man. I just wanted to give y'all a quick update for everybody that didn't see the live yesterday. Love you guys wholeheartedly. Go on.
Tyrant, Terminator!
What's good, TTA family? Get y'all with another one. Today we at the Department of Corrections facility out in Kenosha, Wisconsin. We're just getting ready to see if they respect our rights to record in public. Make sure that our rights are not infringed on by anyone at any time. Let's go see.
Hi.
How you doing? Do you guys got a public records request form?
No, we do not.
Really? Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just fill it out on a blank sheet and I'll turn it back in to you that way.
Or you can fill it out on the Wisconsin D.O.C. website.
Yeah, no, I'd rather do it in person.
Okay.
That's okay, right?
As far as I know.
Okay.
Here you go. Here's a piece of paper.
All right. Appreciate it.
All right. Are you looking for something?
I'm sorry?
Are you looking for something?
No, not at the moment.
Are you recording?
Yeah,
You're recording for?
just because we can.
Okay, hold on.
Yeah, so she said, hold on, I'm not really sure. Maybe she's gonna go get a supervisor or some sort, but it is what it is, man. Y'all stay tuned. I'm sorry?
Why are you recording?
Just exercising rights today.
Who's your agent?
What you mean by agent?
Do you have an agent? Are you on probation?
I really don't want to answer those questions. I'm just want to be able to exercise my rights.
I don't want you recording me.
Well, you're a public servant, right?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Are you on probation?
Like I said, I don't really want to answer that. So
Meeting is Nicholas Norman.
she said she
I can
doesn't
give you the number.
want to be recorded, but she's a public servant working for the public. So y'all know how that go, man. But it is what it is, man. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. Excuse me, man. Are you like a supervisor?
I am.
Okay, yes. So I'm not really sure how to do.
Why don't we step over to the
For sure.
Okay.
So I was just having a back and forth dialogue with some personnel here. She was saying how she didn't want to be on film. She didn't want to be recorded. I was trying to convey to her that she's a public servant. What I'm doing is constitutionally protected. We're in a public space here just recording. If it's a way that it'd be beautiful if you can educate the staff here to just leave me be and we'll be good to go.
Leave you be.
That's correct.
Okay, is there a reason for your recording?
Oh, that's a reason for everything. I just didn't want to get into answering any questions at the time. I just wanted to be able to exercise my rights without being bothered.
Okay, but why did you come to the probation pro office?
Just randomly picked today. Just this entity.
Okay, So you're not here for any appointment or to see anybody?
Well, like I said again, I really don't want to answer those type of questions. I just want to be able to exercise my rights to record, and we'll be good to go.
Okay. So I will ask you to stop recording right now.
Okay.
Me, because you do not have permissions to record me in my work setting.
Well, you're a public servant as well, right?
I do work for the government.
That's correct. So there's no expectation to any type of privacy.
Okay. But what I'm trying to
Maybe one of these people might know behind you that we have a right to do it. Somebody just came behind you. Maybe they know, because it seems like you don't know, and the other.
Okay. So give me 2 minutes
Okay.
and I will get legal counsel, okay?
Legal counsel? Okay.
I'll try to get a hold of someone legal counsel.
Okay, for sure. All right. So I thought the supervisor was going to be more of a professional, and she wasn't disrespectful. However, she did say she didn't want to be recorded. But she's a public servant as well. You guys heard our own admission.
Sir?
Yeah.
Do you mind just stepping back, please?
What do you mean, step back?
Away from the window?
Why so, sir?
Because you can't just stand here by the window.
Why
We're
not?
not telling you, we're not telling you anything about the recording, but you can't just stand there by the window.
Well, I can stand wherever it's accessible, right? The public is accessible to be here, so I can stand here.
You're blocking the window from other people who's coming in.
Well, no one's coming in. No one's coming in, sir.
I'm just asking you if you could just step back.
I understand, but I mean, we're past the directives right now, sir. That's all I'm saying. They're trying to give me directives on recording. They're trying to infringe on my rights, so I'm not really appreciating that, for lack of a better word. The gloves are off at this point. He's asking me to step back, and we don't have to do any of that. So she said she's going to go get legal counsel. So hopefully legal counsel will educate everyone here that what we're doing is a First Amendment protected activity, and we should be good to go. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. So it seems to me that personnel here, they was in that room right there to the left. A lot of them had just left out and went back to their posts over here to the right. The supervisor still hasn't came out yet, but if I'm guessing, they've probably received an education to, like I said, leave me be, because no one has came back to the window. But we still gonna fill out our public records request form and get a copy from them, so we should be good to go. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. Did they find out that I was good to go?
I don't know.
Oh, okay, because she said she was gonna go talk to legal counsel, so I seen everybody running back to their posts. I assumed everyone's received an education that what I'm doing is perfectly legal.
Sir, what was the request?
So a couple of different personnel came out and was trying to tell me that I couldn't record in here. And even one supervisor said she was going to go get legal counsel, but no one has came back. So I'm just speculating that everyone received an education that what I'm doing is legal. Is that correct?
I suppose so.
Oh, okay. I'm just making sure. I've tried to tell them.
Any requests though?
Huh?
You didn't have any requests?
No, I'm going to fill out a public records request, and then I'll turn it back into you guys for a photocopy, and we'll be good to go.
Perfect.
Okay, for sure. So I'm not sure what that young lady is, but she looked like she could be some of a supervisory role. But right now, they probably what you would call salted in a peanut, because it didn't go the way that they hoped that it would. So, but like I said, we'll fill out this public records request form momentarily, get a copy, and we'll be ready to book on out. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned.
Oh, okay.
So you found out?
I do the public records request. Do you need a public records request?
Well, no, she gave me a blank sheet, but what did you find out from counsel that I was good to go?
No, my phone's ringing.
Okay.
One moment.
Okay. So the first supervisor lady that we just spoke to claimed that she hasn't. But we'll see.
Are these under your friends?
Wait for her to come back out. y'all stay tuned.
Sorry. That was my chief.
Okay.
And she says that that's fine, but we just need. Do you need information from us?
Yeah, I'm gonna, like I said, a public records. I'm gonna fill it out.
Okay.
So
That's
definitely.
whose record you need, and how we can contact you when the record's been found and can be sent to you.
For sure.
Whether you want it emailed, printed, and mailed to you, that.
Or whenever the materials are ready, I'll just come back and get them.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we can do that too, but you would have to leave your phone number so I can call you and let them know that's ready.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah. Or I can just call and check back in with you guys to see if it's ready.
That's
Either
fine
or.
too.
Yeah,
But I
okay.
need to know who I'm talking to and who I'm releasing documents to.
Well, we have a right to fill out one anonymously. So.
Right. But I don't know if you have to tell me who I'm looking up.
Well, so when I request materials, it's going to be public records. It's not going to be anything private. It's going to be public, general records about this department.
Okay.
Are you the public information officer?
For region, yeah, there's a few of us.
Okay, so yeah, once you get it, you'll be able to see exactly what I'm requesting, and then we'll go from there. But the main thing was I'm glad that you guys were able to find out that what I'm doing is right, and I'll be good to go after that.
Well, it's just that we have to be very conscientious of what's going on in our building, because we have to respect everyone's privacy.
Yeah, there's no privacy in public though. There's no expectation of privacy in
Okay.
public. No, I'm just making sure.
Let me know when he's done with the request, so I can flush through the system. Absolutely.
So we'll fill out the request now. It's always beautiful, man, that they obviously found out, man, from their higher ups that what we're doing is totally legal, man. So it's a beautiful thing, man. We're gonna fill this out right now and get a copy, and we'll be good to go.
That Terminator is out there. It can't be bargained with. It can't be reasoned with. It doesn't feel pity or remorse or fear, and it absolutely will not stop. Ever.
I can just get
Thank you very much,
if I can just get a photocopy of that stamped received copy. Yeah. Should be good to go. Y'all stay tuned, TTA family. All right.
Thank you very much, sir.
You too. From the top, TTA family, from the top. Came out here to the Kenosha County Department of Corrections, Division of Community Corrections, to do what we always do. That's to make sure that our rights will not be infringed on by anyone at any time. So, pushback, definitely some pushback from the personnel here today. They're telling us how we can't do it. It wasn't going to try to allow us to do it or something like that. So the first lady that we come in contact with, she was taking someone to the back, a probationer or someone on parole, and she was asking, she asked me, I was like, are you filming? I don't want to be on film, more of the same. Basically more of the same. As always, they don't want to be on film, but they're public servants. It is what it is. She goes back, and I guess the manager comes. I could tell she's the manager. She has the manager mannerisms. Her aura stuck out like she was the manager. So I said, "You're the manager?" "Yeah, I'm the manager." So I tried to break it down to her about one of the personnel here, and then even the supervisor, even the manager started saying the same thing. Like, yeah, so no, we can't do it. And she was like, I'm going to contact legal counsel. So, see, that was a scare tactic. Or let me see. Maybe it wasn't, but it was the way she said it with the smile that kind of made me feel like it was a scare tactic, because she kind of smiled with it. It's like, I'm gonna contact legal counsel. And, you know, she had that smirk with it. So I was like, oh, okay, legal counsel. But she said, she came back to the window. She was like, that was her boss. She spoke to the person that's higher than her. And they told her that, no, obviously he's good to go. Which we was trying to tell him as well. And, you know, the whole thing is that they're public servants. And, so, you know, there's no expectation to privacy in public when we're coming in, recording in a public space. So, but we tried to convey that to them. They weren't interested. But at least, what I could say, at least the person that they did call knew, and it didn't escalate from there. So we was able to fill out our public records request form. We got a copy. I think we should be good to go. So I appreciate everybody that's been rocking with TTA, man, from the beginning, man. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscription button. You don't want to miss, man. We still got a lot of stuff coming up, man. A lot of stuff coming up. Big, huge, enormous follow-ups. So y'all want to make sure y'all want to get ready to stay in tune for that. And to the next time, y'all make sure y'all stay tuned.